Hi everyone, my name is Verena and I'm going to be an incoming freshman at UC San Diego as a cognitive science major in the fall. I think my experience with Kyros has definitely helped my high school experience because it gave me so many opportunities to find internships and educators to help with my college application. For instance, when I needed tutoring for trigonometry during my junior year, I was able to find various tutors with different backgrounds and years of education to match my preferences. I was also able to message the educator about my questions and have weekly meetings with them. I also was able to find a Kyros educator in order to help with my college application, essays, and extracurricular descriptions. Lastly, I was able to participate in the Kyros internship during the summer related to UI/UX design. It was a great experience to learn more about user interface design and gain more knowledge about it. Overall, Kyros has given me the opportunity to explore different fields of interest and prepare me for college.